we're here to talk to you about the Bualadh Bos Children's Festival. Myself and Marketa here, we are delighted that we have yet another iteration of this great children's festival, the only children's festival in Limerick, and we have plenty for children and families to see. So it's in both the lime tree and the Belltable, and I would just want to say something to you about one of the pieces in the lime tree, which is Lords of Strut, absolute legends. Fantastic pair of clowns, really. I suppose you could describe them as they are really successful, anarchic, two guys who literally take over the stage and the entire theatre. Great fun, great show, and many people actually might have seen them on Britain's Got Talent. So it's a really excellent show in the Lime Tree on the first Wednesday, that's Wednesday the 17th of October.
The festival runs from the 9th to the 20th of October, as Louise said, across the two venues, the Lime Tree Theatre and Belltable. The middle weekend, the 13th and the 14th of October, is our family weekend, which happens in the Lime Tree Theatre on the Saturday and in Belltable on the Sunday. This is a super day to bring your kids out and enjoy creating, playing and interacting with the arts. In Belltable on the Sunday, the 14th of October, we have 2 illustrator workshops. We have storytelling with Roisin Meany, and we have an Australian circus production called Children Are Stinky. Children Are Stinky is an interactive, extremely funny show which aims to prove that children are or are not stinky, lazy,
all the things they're accused
all the
of
things
being.
that they're accused of being, and it's up to the kids in the audience on the night to prove that they're not.
So we're not just in Belltable and Lime Tree, we're not physically in the city, we're also going out to schools. It's our Bualadh Bos on tour, part of the festival, and we'll be in schools in the county with 2 great events, Booster Cushion Theatre with Old MacDonald and the 3 Pigs Plus, and also we've got Susan Boyle doing workshops on that great book How to Catch a Star, which is also, we've also got an adaptation of that show in the Lime Tree. Now tickets are nearly gone, so anybody watching this video who wants to go to that show, you better book now. But Susan is also going to be going out to schools in the county to do workshops on that particular book. This is a really good time to do to have the children's festival. Yes, the weather starts to close in; it gets darker in the evening. So everybody's back at school a month, and they're probably thinking, "Oh, they really want to do something a little different." We've had great audiences in festivals in previous years, and I think it's going to be the same this year.